Hello, welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us look at atoms and molecules. How do you tell the difference? So remember we talked about atom. What is an atom? Only one. Molecule, more than one. That means it can be 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, look at this first picture. Is it an atom or a molecule? Yes, you're right. It's an atom, right? So this is an atom. This is also an atom. But this is not colored. This is colored. So they are actually atoms of different elements. Okay? So they are atoms of elements. So it's actually a mixture also because they are different. So why is it atom? Because all of them are only one. So they are atoms of different elements. How about a molecule? So how do you know this is a molecule? Because it's more than one. Can you see? There's 1, 2, and 3. 3 different atoms in one molecule. Okay? So this molecule is made up of 3 atoms. But 2 of them are the same and 1 of them is not the same. Okay? So this is chemically combined. So we call this a compound. Compound means different type. If they are the same type, it's also a molecule, but it's molecule of an element. Okay, this is molecule because it's more than one, but it's a compound because there are different elements, different type of elements. Okay, if it's an element, means only the same type, which we do not have an example here. Thank you for joining me today. Do subscribe to our channel